yeah. So I'm gonna work. I'm ready to find out what I can have in paraphernalia with the cigars.
Oh, okay.
See, I could actually answer his question because the cannabis license is just the tobacco and alcohol license. He's already qualified. He don't even know. It's- The new zoning is putting it under ATF and cannabis. I've already asked store owners what are they doing. Technically, as far as my license, I just gotta have the alcohol and tobacco, and you can sell me anything, because I know how to be a vendor to them too. I can go into any gas station and sell them my products also. The only thing I gotta do is pay the what that tobacco and alcohol licensing fee. That's $200. Walking any gas station like here, you owe me what 500, 600 a week. Okay, Mr. Harker, we'll have you your money whenever it's here. But if nothing sells, just understand you can't expect money. Bet. That easy. Well, if everything's still here and nothing sold, alright, cool. But if when shit sold the fuck out, yes, I want all my money, run that back. Yes, ma'am. That's how easy it is here in Missouri. It's just that easy. I've already, like I said, done my research on that. I've been talking to shop owners. So I said, I'm a networking machine. I keep telling people it's another day in paradise because I'm doing exactly what I want to do every fucking day. Every fucking day from sun up to sundown. When I wake up and work that 18 hours that I be up and running around and doing work for 18 hours, that's because it's 18 hours of shit that I want to do each fucking day. Thanks to Big Me for keeping me entertained all day. I'm my own channel for a reason. Hell, I be watching my replays. You gotta be. You can't want to be one of the best out there doing whatever you do. Because I'm one of them types, right? I don't think I'm perfect, but I know I can do my best, which, some people ain't even showing up right now. I appreciate that. Some of them become haters. I really appreciate that. This motherfucker gotta watch me so much that they gotta be a hater, though. Appreciate the haters. Keep them working. They see how we did our videos today. I was live for like 2.5 hours earlier. Then I came back. I'm live again for another couple, 2, 3 hours. Banging them out on YouTube all summer. Shouts out to that summer grind. We gonna grind all winter too. We might be at the house, but we got plenty of shit at the house to do. Y'all see we gonna have these dragon fruits. We're gonna have these strawberries. They gonna be indoors. They gonna be off the fucking chain. They store-bought strawberries, so they're more than likely June berries. So they'll just actually do good with the veg cycle indoors all year and be ready to produce some shit next June. You dig? And then they'll be all thick and juicy like viney. Yeah, they like veins and vines, right? Yeah, we got veins and vines out here for y'all. Shouts out to them wet plenties, because that's what they do for you. Hit you with the veins, the vines, all of that. Whatever you into, right? We got you. Hey, they some very freaky girls. Don't take care of that, Baba. They cut the music off a long time ago. They never recovered it either. They just said, fuck that, okay? Forget about it. Let's go outside and see what's going on. I know they're doing interviews. They'll be calling me in here in a minute. Hell yeah. Out here getting it. Gonna have to ask Earlis where the food truck coming.